omusango gwa Ssentongo olwaleero guzzeemu okuwulirwa ono yasangibwa.
The matter of Kakiri Ssentongo, this is the second time the matter is appearing in the court summary report. And our last sitting was on the 21st of August 2024, when the charges were laid to him and he pleaded not guilty.
The first, you didn't plead.
Yes,
The second,
he pleaded not guilty.
you did not plead. So this is the third.
I'm sorry, and prosecution is ready to proceed.
For the record, my name is Ronald from Governor Advocacy and Legal Consultants, lawyers for the accused person. The accused person is in court and we are ready to proceed. But, however, before that, Mr. Honorable Chair, there is an application for bail that was filed in the record of this court on the 21st day of August 2024. We were applying for bail for our client, Mr. Ssentongo. And as you may note, Honorable Mr. Chair and the Honorable members of the court, our client is so free. He's battling acute leukemia, which is the cancer of the blood. He's also battling pressure. And when he was arrested, the day he was arrested on the 21st day of June 2024, one of the worries of his family members were how is he going to survive in prison without advanced medication to leukemia. Honorable Chair and members of the court, his health has been deteriorating ever since then, and I pray to the Honorable Court that our bail application that was filed in this court be given precedence over the prosecution so that our client's right to apply for bail can be heard. I so pray.
Okay. Court closes. Yes. We have a procedure to follow.
Because now it's
No. I want to look on this matter because we have wasted a lot of time on this case, on issues of technicalities. Even the other time we are going to proceed. But again, because of that, so now we are closing to deliberate on bail application of the accused. Non-vote members march out. When I was saying non-vote members march out.
Kooti etabuse. ne Ssentongo.
The vote will make a ruling about that application in the next sitting. But as of now, we are set for prosecution hearing. And since the prosecutor says it is ready, yeah, we can go ahead. State my defense.
Honorable Chairman and court members, today in court as the prosecution we have four witnesses. And the first witness is Private Omori Joseph. We have the arresting officer. We have civilian Asingo Moses and Private Fisher Hammond. They are all in court. And prosecution would like to call its first witness as the rest of the witnesses step into the court.
Where is that first witness? If there are just the other witnesses, they come. The first witness can come.
Ya kwanza kuja wale wanakuja
aleetedwa nga bajulizi
Private Omori.
ate lombaziwa oli mujulizi twagalako nenga nga basigale mujulizi.
Again, you said you are ready. Huh? Omori.
Yes, sir. Okay, yes, sir. My name is R804 Private Omori.
How old are you?
20 years old.